Today's story is sponsored by Atlantic Coast Spine and Pain Center.
Good morning, thanks so much for watching Living Local. I'm here in Conway with Dr. Klein, and we are here at the Atlantic Coast Spine and Pain Center, and it's the brand new facility, right?
Correct.
So I'm pretty excited about this. The building is gorgeous. You were on Main Street before, and now you're here. Tell me about this move.
Well, thank you, Randy. It's been a vision I've had since I first moved my practice to Conway. We wanted to have a facility where we could provide interventional pain management as well as physical therapy and adult medicine care all under one roof, for an easy place for patients to come for a one-stop shop for healthcare needs.
I'm so excited because today we're going to take a tour through it. This is a brand new 9,000 square foot facility, so we are really excited. What's up first?
First, we're going to take a look at the entrance.
All right, let's go. It's beautiful already. I can already see. So when patients come in here, is this kind of their first stop?
This is their first stop. When the patients come in, we have two medical assistants here who triage the patients, and they take the blood pressure and determine if the patient is all set for a procedure. They'll go into one of our holding rooms, or they will get them ready with a urine drug screen where we have our lab right here. Then we also have a consultation room where we can go over patients' MRIs privately with them. We have 7 consultation rooms, so we can get a lot of patients in very quickly without a big wait in the waiting room.
Now, how is this different from where you were before?
We had a lot smaller facility. We only had 3 patient evaluation rooms, no consultation room, 1 OR, so it's a big expansion from where we are.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's great, and it's beautiful. I mean, it's crazy that this is in Conway, so now you don't have to travel as far to get kind of that quality care. I mean, they didn't before anyway, but now you've expanded.
That's right, and we can see a lot more patients much more efficiently.
Sure. Now let's talk about you've added some new services with this new building, right?
Yes, we have. We also have an adult medicine section, and we also have in-house physical therapy.
Very cool.
So many of our patients had difficulty accessing some of those things, and so many patients consider me to be their primary care doctor, and I'm not a primary care doctor. So we needed someone to help handle things like blood pressure, diabetes, and those things.
That is awesome. Now, you've been in the area for, 20 years?
That's right.
That's amazing.
Yes.
And before you were on Main Street in Conway, right?
That's correct. So we were there for almost 6 years in
Okay.
Main Street, Conway.
And then you built this brand new, beautiful building.
Yes, because we figured this could provide a lot more patient care to people who needed it in Horry and Florence counties.
Sure. And like you were just saying, people kind of come to you for everything. And so you're like, well, hey,
we need to provide.
Yeah, we need to provide these other services. So now you really can do everything.
Exactly right. Okay, so as they come out of the evaluation room and they're going to get a procedure, we have a pre and post-op area. So patients will be brought into here, the chairs recline, they can relax, we play music in here.
Oh my gosh.
We also have TV screens that are showing kind of aquatic scenes to be relaxing as well. And then we have got 2 physician's assistants that are right in-house here, Nick and Miriam.
Okay. Wow.
And we have 2 operating rooms, so we can be very efficient with the time, so there's not a big turnover time in waiting for one patient to get out, wake up, and to bring the next patient in. So we have one here, and we can move patients through very efficiently.
Now, what kind of operations do you do here?
We do everything from epidural steroid injections, selective nerve root injections, spinal cord stimulator trials, kyphoplasties we can actually do in office here, which is repairing a broken backbone. Very painful for a lot of patients, and a lot of patients have a very hard time getting that repaired in this area. So we offer that service, and we've had a lot of success with that, and patients are very happy.
Now, you're not saying the operation is very painful. Having the condition is painful.
Having the condition is painful.
Okay.
The repair, most patients feel better very quickly.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and then there's certain things that I have to do as an outpatient surgery center. One is minimally invasive lumbar decompression, and that's where we can make a very small incision and decompress the back part of the spine to give patients with spinal stenosis a lot of relief in their canal. We also do permanent implants of spinal cord stimulators at the surgery center, as well as another procedure called the Vertiflex, which is like a spacer to hold backbones open that are
Holy
kind of compressed.
cow. That's amazing. We have this in Conway? That's
We
crazy.
have this in Conway, that's correct.
That's amazing.
When we developed this center, we wanted to be a place where patients could go and have everything at one stop without having to go all over town.
Well, I've had so much fun getting to tour the Atlantic Coast Spine and Pain Center here in Conway. Beautiful new building. Make sure you come check it out. Thanks so much for watching Living Local. We'll be right back.
Today's story is sponsored by Atlantic Coast Spine and Pain Center.